Alright guys, 14 more days. 14 more days. I am packing up. I have my pads. I think I got no school. What are those pads for? I have my curtains for the bed. I have dry shampoo just in case I need it. I have my Depends. A lot of Band-Aids. Body wipes. I have a whole full things here. Sorry if I'm moving the camera too much. But I have my makeup, my face wash, toothbrush, soap, my creams for my face, and I have that just in case I want to look pretty. Not look pretty, I am pretty. Let's get it together. Just in case I want to go out. Alright, I have that. And I have for my fajas, my board, which they are going to give me new ones, but still I'm going to take them just in case. I have my stage 1 and stage 2 faja in there. I have these, how do you call these? It's like the dog dog pads, chucks for the bed. So I won't stain nothing. I don't want to pay nobody's stuff. I got the Hibbertwin. We'll take a shower with this. I got the peroxide. It's for the fajas when they get dirty. I have all my pills here. So I have the for my throat. I love these things. This is for if you feel nauseous, put it under your tongue. It's lymphatic. You could drink it straight or put it in whatever you drink. These pills is to take in the airplane if I get scared or panic. This is my inhaler, just in case. And this is the Heal Fast pre-surgery. Yep, I'll start taking those too. I got my stool softeners, just in case I don't need it. I didn't have problems for my first BBL, but just in case. Then I have this, the Annika. This is the best thing you could ever have. This is my second time going, so I already know these work really good. And the lactatic liquid works even better. But this is my second round. I had a tummy tug and a BBL, but I want to fix some stuff that I don't like. So that's it. And I have my pillow for the plane to be comfortable. Sorry. And a little style soap. This antiseptic. And this is the good wipes. You're gonna need this. I got this just in case I get cold. I got these for my knees. This is the blanket that I'm gonna put. It's like a cover up. It's for not to stain the bed. It has like a plastic inside, but just to make sure, I just don't want to mess up nobody's bed. So it has this. Yep, that's my book. I don't need to show that. So I have this. I might be wearing this. Might coming back. I got my. See, I told you I already have one on 2023 for my tummy tug and BBL lighting. But I already have all this, so I need to buy it again. And I have my pajamas. Everything is loose stuff. All my pajamas